Hello, good morning. I want to share with you the latest features that has been introduced in LDSscoreboard so that it can make you a more pleasant experience and provide better content and better value for your clients. First of all, let's go to see how to get the application. You go to our web page, largedisplaysolutions.com. Go to the downloads area, and from the downloads area, you have to download LDSscoreboard version 3.12, right? Go click download. Here the download will begin, and in a few seconds you will have it in the downloads folder. We will run this a bit faster. Okay, the download is complete. Let's go to open the folder. We can close the browser. And here what we are going to do is just enter in the zip file, copy this folder, and for example, in the downloads folder, just for trying it, paste this file. This will unzip the file and we will start using our application. Perfect. Here we have it. We go into the folder LDSscoreboard and we go for the application LDSscoreboard. That's it. If you have already opened one scoreboard, it will reopen the same. Otherwise, it will request you to open one. I want to show you that from this version we have created a scoreboard whose name is examples. This way we will show you easily what are the new features of this version. So, the first feature I would like to share with you is the video in and fade. Is to say, now we can place a video in the slides and let it run, and when it arrives to the end it fades and disappears. I say fade and disappears. We can choose different options for disappearing fade, shrink, etc. Right? You will see it in a few seconds. I will place it closer here. It can be useful. It is useful for presenting some adverts, right, like this. Okay. On the other hand, we also have a new feature, a good new feature, that is that you can connect to a live video stream. What is this live video stream? Is an RTMP protocol connection that allows you to connect to your cameras, to connect to other devices that can play video completely in a live way. You can use it in combination with OBS Studio. For example, you are combining a set of inputs that can be a video capture, can be a replay of some content, and serve it in a RTMP server and connect this system to your video editing tool. Right? It's useful for repetitions. It's useful for many features that you may like. Right? If you are in a concert and you have a low delay in your RTMP server, it can be also very nice. Right? We have included a new feature here also, that is the selection of the player name. We have the list of players, right? In the local team and the guest team, everything is editable. They have the team have a logo, right? Each one, so you can here select automatically the logo, but also now you can select the name of the players that are going to be, for example, substituted, and do not have to write it manually. It's useful for the easiest of the for have an easier management of the scoreboard. Now we can have also slideshows of videos and images all together. Is to say, we have changed the concept of image slideshow and video slideshow and have joined it together so that you can mix video and images all at once and play with it, right? And that's all. If you go back here to open a new scoreboard, you can open any of these templates so that you can use and edit to provide it to your clients. Remember that you can export your configurations and send it via email with a zip file, for example, to your clients so that they can have a better assistance from your site. I hope you like the new features. Have a great day and see you soon. Bye bye.